Welcome to Tech with Kindy. Today I'm doing cleaning and changing the loop, and I've chosen the EK Cryo Fuel Loop Cleaner and Superflush. And I started with the loop cleaner, and I did 2 tours yesterday, and now I did 1 2-hour tour and then changed it, and then I did maybe like 13-14 hours now. I'm gonna change it again, and I put in the tube so I can just go straight down. Very easy. And I went from the Mystic Fog I had in it, and after 1 year the Mystic Fog was not so foggy anymore, so it was a little bit boring to look at. So I'm gonna change to the blood red, so that's why I'm has to use the first I have to use the loop cleaner, and then I'm going to use the Superflush, because if you're going from different colors you have to make sure you get everything out of the radiators and everything. And yeah, I'll make a one more when I fill in the red, and then you can see how it fills up. And before you do this, of course, you have to put in the jumper, and you have to take out the power control for the pump, so when you start it with the jumper it just goes full speed. So now I have run the Superflush. I ran first the loop cleaner for 2 hours, then changed it and ran it for 12-13 hours maybe. Then I changed to the Superflush, which I ran for 2 hours, then changed all of it out, and then ran it for another 6 to 8 hours. And I actually think it's cleaned up the Mystic Fog pretty well. As you can see, I've selected the blood red EK Cryo Fuel, and I'm gonna turn on the system and let's see if we can't fill it back up again and make it ready for use again. And we're gonna turn on here, and then it's gonna drain out, and we're gonna turn it off and top up some more. Let's see if we can't see the red go completely crazy here. And turn off. Oh, almost enough. And this is the red color is, yeah, very red, as you can see. It is extremely red. So now I can just keep running the pump and just fill in the red, and then yeah. Probably should have set everything for white so it's easier to see the. Make sure you don't drip anything on your clothes with the red color. I could imagine it probably very good. Now is it running? You can see the air bubbles coming out. You have to refill it a few times. What I do is, when I fill the system, I'm gonna let it stand with the jumper and everything. Just gonna stand here and let it run for 24 hours, and then you can see the bubbles are gonna run out. Let me take the camera here. I can show you. There we go. And you can see all the bubbles going around here, going up and through the system. And this one is just going down, down, down. That's why I run it for at least 12 hours without using the computer, because then you have to open and fill up again and everything. And I actually do like the red color a lot. I probably should not have the rainbow crap anymore, so maybe white, or I have to play around with the colors to see what color fixes with the red. So I have a 280 millimeter radius up here, and I have a 480 millimeter radius in the back, and then the EK 7900 XT graphics card water cooler, the Vector 2, and I have the MSI Carbon EKX is for the rest. And you can see, yeah, you can see it going down because the air bubbles are going out, and I have to refill my bag a little bit. Yeah. So pretty much just let it run for a few as I said, I'll let it run for 12 hours without using the computer. Easier just to fill up when it's open, and then I can turn it off, move it back where it should be. And yeah, let's go a little bit away here. I have my light here, so it actually gives more light into the computer, so you can actually see what's going on. And yeah, so, and overall I'm pretty happy with the EK. You mix it with distilled water, and yeah, it did its job. It cleaned out the Mystic Fog and made it ready for the red color. And right now there's a lot of bubbles, but they will, you see, it's almost from here to here just by like 1-2 minutes, and I have to refill it again. It will never go all the way down because the reservoir in this one is pretty big, but as you can see, the bubbles are still going around pretty good. So now it's just a waiting game pretty much. As you see, I have my big radiator. I have a little bit of regrets by choosing the 480, because then I can't have the nice slope that's in the tower, so you can actually still see under here. But yeah, I might change to a 360, a 360 and a 360 that should fit in this tower, and the Corsair 7000. But thanks for watching, and like and subscribe if you like what you see.